If you've got a little one who is full of beans or a teen keen to hit the skate park, then a scooter is a perfect solution to help them burn off some energy. At Halfords, we have a wide range of options available for small and big kids of all ages. Picking the right scooter for your child's age will help them have maximum fun without any injuries. Ideally, the scooter's handlebars should reach your kid's hip or waist height, making their ride comfortable and improving their confidence so they can have a great time. Let's take a look at some of our models. We have 3 and 4 wheel scooters, ideal for little ones aged 3 and above who are just getting started. The extra wheels make sure they stay stable and not too wobbly. Some of these models also have slightly different steering systems. They're lean and tilt steering, making it easier for young children to master. Many of our 3-wheel scooters come with adjustable handlebars, which allows the scooter to grow with your child. Perfect for those growth spurts. These foldable scooters are really great for school runs and can be folded down and popped straight into your car boot. Foldable scooters tend to be for slightly older children, 5 and above. They have 2 wheels and require both steering and balance. They also tend to be a little faster. A fantastic way of getting around is by using an electric scooter. Our kids' models reach speeds of up to 10 miles per hour and are great fun for older kids. But don't worry, the hand control acceleration and efficient brakes help your kids stay in control of their scooter at all times. Another option for older children, 8 years and above, is a stunt scooter. From beginner to professional, our lightweight yet sturdy scooters allow you to practice your tricks at the skate park comfortably and safely. Not to mention they come in a range of striking designs. Now, if you already have a scooter but want to give it a stylish upgrade, then have a look at some of these bits. Upgrading your scooter's wheels can add that personal touch. How about changing the colour and style of the grips? It is all possible with the Halfords scooter range. You can also see our trick guide online. If your kids are all about tricks, then perhaps think of adding stunt pegs to their scooter, which will help them try out tons of new tricks. So there you have it, the lowdown of scooters available at Halfords. Pop into your local store and chat to a member of the team for more information. You can also see our full range online.